Okay, sound pick detectives. Right, let's see if you can find the sound pick if I tell you the word. Let me think. Let's have, well, we've got Tetley, extra strong. A rich blend for a big cuppa taste. So in the word Tetley, where's the t in the middle of Tetley? What does the t look like? Can you draw it? Tetley. Which was the picture? T-E-T-L-E. So the t in the middle was t-e-t. It was this one. Did you draw that one? Okay, one more. A rich blend for a big cuppa taste. Where's the picture for ch in rich? Can you write it down? It's in capital letters, so it might look a little bit different. But there, rich. Write down the ch. See you later.